This is an introduction to technical analysis, and we are going to be using the OHLC bar. As you see it on the screen, that's the OHLC bar. It's called OHLC because it includes the opening price, the closing price, the high, the low. So that's the abbreviation, OHLC, opening, high, low, closing price. We are going to use different abbreviations, and the first abbreviation is the LOP, meaning low point. This is the point where the two bars before and after it are higher than it. So the one in the middle is lower than the two bars before and after it. Now that bar gives us the low point. Then there's the high point, HIP. Now this is where the two bars before and after it are below it. So the one in the middle is higher than the two bars before and after it. Now that bar in the middle gives us what we call the high point, which we shall call the HIP. Then we are going to look at the SIP. That will be the abbreviation for the significant point. We shall have another abbreviation which will be high SIP, HISIP. This will be the highest point reached while in a long trade. Then you can guess the opposite of that, the low SIP, LOSIP, which is the lowest trade reached while in a short trade. The next abbreviation will be the SIC, SIC, which will stand for significant close. And this will be the extreme favorable close made while in a trade. If we are in a short position, the low SIC is the lowest close made while in a trade. Now you can guess what the high SIC is. Then the last one is the SAR, stop and reverse. Now this is when you stop with the trend and reverse to the, because trading is about trends. So you need to stop, you need to accept when a certain trend is done. We stop and then get onto the other trend. What I'm saying is you switch from a long trade to a short trade, or from a short trade to a long trade. But now the issue here is, at what point do we switch from long to short, or from short to long? Now, when we are looking at technical analysis, a trading plan must have three major elements, and that is exactly what we are going to be looking at. One, technical trading system. And two is a capital management technique. And three is a commodity selection. Now, with commodity selection, most of your people may not necessarily bring it on, but I believe it's very important to know what to trade, when to trade, and how to trade. So commodity selection is very important. You shouldn't just fall into any commodity just because you know what to do. You can't know what to do with everything. That is the first thing. So in our next video, we are going to look at the parabolic system. That is it's one of the easiest systems when it comes to technical analysis. So we are going to look at that plan, that system, how to calculate, how to deal with these things, and hopefully you will all learn the mathematics behind technical analysis as we go on with time. And don't forget to follow our Telegram. It's in the link, it's in the description, where we share different signals for different commodities, our TikTok, the lessons and everything, it's shared on there.